Hey guys, what's happening? How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. So go ahead to the settings. Scroll a little bit down to find the control center right here. Press it, right? And you can reset the control center, or you can swipe down to your control center at the top, right? And then go and hold, right? And then add control from here. And just search for screen mirroring. That way you now inserted the screen mirroring feature. Just click on the screen to save the settings, then press right here the screen mirroring, and now you're gonna be able to turn it on. And make sure that your Wi-Fi or your cellular data is turned on. Like, you need to ensure that your iPhone and receiving device, like Apple TV or Mac, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. All right, so you can see them in the screen mirroring right here, and you can connect them right away. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.